in grade one, we saw 4-4, 3-4, and 2-4.
Right.
Yeah? So, do you remember in your own words, what does the number on top tell me, the player, the performer? What does the number on top tell me?
How many beats?
How many beats? Exactly. So I have 4 beats here, 3 beats there, and 2 beats there in the back. And what does the number below tell me?
4 beats to the bar. 4.
Now, take 4-4.
4.
Take 4,
yeah,
4.
Yeah.
I have 4 what in the bar?
4 quarter notes.
4 quarter notes, exactly.
Right.
3-4, I have 3 of what? In the
Quarter notes.
quarter notes. 2-4, I have 2 quarter notes. So the number below, 4 in this
Yeah.
case, tells me that they are quarter notes
Yeah.
or crotchets.
Crotchets.
Or crotchets. So you could say the type of value, the value of the beat,
Right, right.
that's what the number
Number
below tells
below.
me, is the value
Yeah.
of the beat, the
And-
time value. Because
Yeah.
quarter note is
Yeah.
a time value. It
Yeah,
tells
yeah.
me, so 4 quarters, 3 quarters, 2 quarters,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Now, and that's what we've seen so far.
Right.
I'll write it 2. Yeah. There's 4 quarters right there. And then there would be a bar line. I have 3 quarters there, and then there would be a bar line. And I have 2 quarters there, and then there would be a bar line.
Yeah.
Right. So that number below can change.
Yeah.
It can change. And in grade 2, you'd be dealing with. So let's assume that now they're not quarter anymore. They stop being quarters.
Right,
Okay?
right.
Let's say they're halves.
Right.
Let's say instead of having 4 of these, I have 4 of those.
Right.
What do you think the time signature is going to be now?
Half.
Well, how many beats do I have?
You have 4.
Is it still 4? It's still 4.
4 on
It's
top.
still 4 of them, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So
yeah.
it's 4 on top. And what do I get at the bottom instead?
You go, half, 1, 2, 3. You get 2, would you?
I get 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get 2. But one of these, okay.
One
Of these, look,
One of them is a
Look,
quarter.
yeah.
A quarter.
One of
them
these,
is a half. A half.
exactly. So it's 4 halves.
Right.
4, 2, exactly. So, what time signature am I going to get here?
You get
Just the 2 numbers.
3
3, 2. 3, 2, just the 2 numbers.
Yeah, 3, 2.
3, 2. What time signature am I going to get here?
2, 2.
There you go. There's one more.
Right.
There is one more. Now, let's say that I have in the bar, I'll do it here,
Right.
still 3 beats of that kind.
You get 8,
How many?
3 8s.
3, 8. Very good.
Right.
Very good. That's it. Now, so these are the new ones.
Right.
These to the right are the new ones. Are the new time signatures you're going to be dealing with
Yeah.
in grade 2. Now, all of these, keep in mind, all of these are simple time signature.
Yeah.
They're all simple time signature. Now, that means
You could get
that the beat whichever bit that is.
Yeah.
It could be a quarter, it could be a half, it could be an eighth.
Yeah.
But in all of these instances, the beat will split into two.
Yeah.
Into two. So this is going to split into two semiquavers. A beat of this kind is going to split into two crotchets. A beat of that kind is going to split into two quavers. These are all simple time signatures.
Yeah.
Now, if we have two beats,
Right.
it's a simple duple.
Simple.
Remember that it's a duple
Duple.
time signature. We have
Right.
two beats, duple.
Triple.
If we have three beats, it's a triple
Triple.
time signature. Simple triple,
Yeah, yeah.
also simple triple.
Simple triple.
If we have four beats, it's a quadruple
Quadruple.
time signature.
Yeah.
Simple quadruple, simple triple, simple duple. That's also simple
Right.
triple. Because there'll be other time signatures which are
Yeah.
compound.
Compound.
So it's simple
Yeah.
time signature against compound,
Right.
which we will do later. These are all simple.
Yeah.
These are all simple. And what makes them simple is that the beat will always split into two.
So, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me visualize that
Yeah, yeah.
for you. Now, this is just to anticipate. This is just to
Yeah,
anticipate
Right.
the difference between a simple beat and a compound beat.
And a compound.
Hence the difference between a simple time signature and a compound time signature, right? But
Yeah.
you don't need to. I just want to show
Yeah,
you
yeah,
quickly,
yeah.
but you
Yeah.
don't need to worry about that now.
Right.
Okay, this would be a simple beat
Right.
that splits into two smaller notes.
Yeah.
Split into two smaller notes. So one and two and
Right.
one and two and one and two. That would be that's a simple beat,
Yeah. It's coming
and
back.
they make a simple
Yeah.
time signature of 2/4.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but there's different types of music. There's different types of meter.
Yeah, yeah.
So there is actual music in which the beat doesn't split into two, but rather splits into three.
Right.
So let's have a look at that. So that splits into three. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now I'm not going to elaborate on this too much.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, but I'm just showing you the difference between one and two and ti 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 ti
Yeah.
and
Do, do.
ti 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 ti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not quite. Not quite. See, I have two beats. I still have,
Yeah, we broke up there.
but this breaks into three.
1, 2, 3.
Now, hang on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can also think of 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You see, I still have two pulses,
Yeah.
but this
Yeah.
splits in two, and that splits in three.
Right.
So I'm not going to elaborate
Yeah, yeah.
that yet, but just to show you the difference between a beat splitting into two and a beat and a bit splitting into three. So all that we've done now is simple
Yeah.
time signatures.